Well, I started to come to True Dentistry simply because I've had a lot of trouble in the past with my teeth, and I knew their reputation was very, very good, and I thought, well, if I'm going to have some treatment, I prefer to go there, and it was a very good move. But when you walk into True Dentistry, it's very comforting, really, because everybody's smiling and they're all welcoming you. It's always very warm. You're always offered a drink if you want one. But what I think is the most favoured, as far as I'm concerned, is the way your whole welfare is taken into consideration. How you are, physical, mental, discussion what you're going to have, what treatment you're going to have. And everybody's extremely pleasant, so it makes for a very comfortable environment. Well, the treatment I've had at True Dentistry has been crowns, veneers, fillings, implants. My goodness, I'm a good advert, aren't I? I've had everything. The procedures for my implants were quite a testing time, really, because I was nervous about it and anxious that it was going to work all right. But I had several discussions formally with the consultant and with Lubna. And really they taught me about all the procedures, so I knew almost what I was going to expect, which was really helpful. And of course it wasn't all comfortable, at least putting the initial implant in the gum was vaguely discomforting, but I mean not terribly serious. And of course then you have to wait and wear a plate with the teeth on, the temporary teeth, until your gums settle down. But that was fine. And then of course once the implants were screwed, well the teeth were screwed onto the implants, the end result was fantastic, so I really was pleased about that. Everything has been explained to me at True Dentistry. Everything I've had has been explained to me very carefully. And I always like to know what I'm having. So I do ask questions, but everything's explained in detail. Even with the hygienist, who is superb. And of course I have had a lot of problems with my gums, but now happily we're getting on top of that all, which has helped the condition generally of my teeth. So with Lubna and Tracy together as a team, I really feel the full benefit. The treatment I've received has certainly given me more confidence about my teeth, because I have been worried about them, I have been anxious about them. I don't know so much about my smile, although I do know when I smile it looks okay. And I'm aware of other people's smiles and other people's teeth, and I'm always anxious to tell them, well, you should go to True Dentistry, because certainly that's the way everybody comes out, really, with a nice smile and good treatment. In 3 words, my experience of True Dentistry is excellent, reassuring and positive.